Alright guys, what we have right here is a 2004 Yamaha Yfz 450. I'm going to replace the stock Nerf bars with new ones, actual good ones. Show you guys right now, coming out of the box. This used to be a limited edition, but that was just stickers. I hated the stickers, they were flames. Took them off. I might post a picture of what it used to look like before the transformations I've done on it. I recently put this on there. You can check out a video I'm gonna post about it. The heat guard. And I want to apologize in advance with all the traffic noise, but I live in a busy street. Alright. Here's the Nerf bar. That brand. You can get it on Amazon, eBay. I got it on eBay. Just because if I don't like it, I will comment, and sometimes they give me money back. Here are the new Nerf bars. If you haven't noticed, I like black. So, of course, I'm going to get black next. I like the way they manufacture these. Got the black gloss, metal all around. Their logo right there. I like the chrome piece, stands out because you got black little chrome pieces, and I got the net also. But I'll show you guys how to install it, which is not that hard, but for some of you guys that want to learn how, don't know how to do it. I will show you step by step, and I will fast forward some of the parts that take some time. Alright. Okay, so let me show you up close. You gotta remove this one, the bottom one, and this one to remove this piece. Let me take the piece off and then I'll show you guys the rest. Make sure you don't lose the bolts that we just took off, because we're going to install this piece first. And when you open the box, you get instructions with some pictures. Make sure you read the instructions carefully. It tells you that they're stamped right and left. It's for your left. It's your left leg. So I'm gonna put the top bolt, bottom bolt, and that's how it's gonna go. And then we're going to shove this piece in there like that. I'll show you guys right now. Alright, before we can shove that into this, we need to remove this screw. You're going to need a screwdriver and a 10mm socket. You're going to take it off. I already loosened it up. And then you're going to have this back piece go in between here. You're going to put that bolt. But after we get this part here, you're going to need this piece. There's no left or right side for this. You're gonna shove it in there as well, like so. And then, according to the instructions, you're going to need the short bolts with the spacer. You're gonna remove just one bolt, put that there, and that's what the spacer's for, like that. I'll show you guys right now. Okay, I removed it. I used a 12mm bolt. Okay, I removed it. I used the 12mm socket. And now, according to the picture, the spacer goes in between. So sorry guys, I'm trying to do this with one hand. And it's supposed to look just like so. Tighten it up, both sides. Don't forget this one also. I'll show you guys right now. Okay, so I was gonna put the same screw that I had, but they provide one for it. So I'm gonna put the new one on, obviously. It's gonna look better. And then they also provide this long screw that you're gonna put right here to tighten it up. Basically it tightens up with this piece, and then you already have this piece that you're gonna tighten this up so you can compress with this piece. And then I'll put the net next. I'll show you guys right now. Bad thing about this bolt is that now you need an 8mm socket for this, and you still need that 10mm back here. I recommend that you guys don't tighten this one until the end, because it's kind of difficult to shove it in there. But if it's loose, it's easier to shove in there. Once it's in there, tighten it and tighten the rest. Alright, with each new bolt, it's a different size. Tighten this bolt. This one's a 13mm. I want it facing that way because these are already faced like this, so they can match. And I put the washer on this side. And now, remember this piece? This one's a different screw. You're gonna need a hexagon. This one's a H5. That's the size I'm gonna use to tighten it. And you're gonna tighten it from the bottom, and that's it. Alright, for the net part, I wish I would have saw the instructions first. Probably would have put it on first, but according to instructions, you do it last. Follow the image. It says it goes over on the top one, down to the bottom hole, and then goes up the middle hole, and then goes through the top hole as well. And that's what I did. Goes down here, up there. I'll show you guys on one of them. So again, top here, bottom here, middle, middle, and then needs to go to the top one. And that's it. Do all of them and just adjust it to the way you're gonna like it. Okay, the best way I found to adjust these is to try to make sure these two are straight. Then you start tightening these first, and these, and this one. I don't know how loose you want it, but that's how I left mine. I'm sure it'll get loose after a while, so you just keep tightening them after use. But there it is. I got one side done. That's how she looks. Now I'm gonna do the other side. One more thing that I just noticed, guys. This side, you got this crap you gotta worry about. On this side, you got this thing to worry about. You're gonna need that Hex 5 again. And hopefully you guys wasn't as tight as mine was. I had to use this. That's how bad it was. I used it like this though for more torque. It was really tight. There, it's off. So make sure you guys don't mess this up. It's protecting. Okay, so this side's more complicated. You need to loosen this bolt and this one. Mine's missing, so I have to deal with that one. You gotta make sure that this moves, because now you have to make sure it adjusts here, because this piece right here hits right there. But if you move this down a little bit, all you're gonna do is readjust here, and it fits perfectly. Here's the final result, guys. Beautiful. Even comes with the decal. I don't know where I'm gonna put it at though. Like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Have safe riding out there, guys.